Back in the garage this time. I'm in a paint booth. 2 fenders, rear bumper cover, the outside of the trunk lid, the 2 fender extensions are going to be painted. I'm so excited. We'll be carrying some parts home in a couple of days. Put them up in safe storage. Okay, it's a little noisy in the paint booth, but the parts are painted. They look really good, real slick. There's those pieces. As you can see my reflection in them real good. Now then, just to get the rest of the car as good, we'll be a happy camper.